Welcome to our channel Electronics World. Today we will going to make smoke or fire alarm using MQ2 sensor and Arduino and Python combination. This is Arduino Uno board and this is MQ2 smoke sensor, and we will need some jumper wires and the buzzer for alarm system and the USB cable for uploading to the code. MQ2 sensor has 4 pins. One is a 0 pin and second one is D0 and 2 is BCC and ground pin. In BCC and ground for power. So let's connect it. The yellow pin which we will connect to the A0 pin will be connected to the Arduino A0 pin as well as, and green wire is connected to the BCC of the MQ2 and it will connected to the 5V of the Arduino, and the red wire is ground pin which will connected to the Arduino ground pin. So let's connect the wires to the Arduino. The green pin will be go to the 5V. It is going of Arduino board. It should be careful. And the red wire will go to the ground pin. There is 2 ground pin. We can choose any ground pin from Arduino board. And the next is yellow wire, sorry, it will go to the A0 pin of the Arduino, which will take analog read from the MQ2 sensor, as MQ2 sensor give the analog reads, not digital. And next there is a buzzer which has 2 pins. One is positive or digital pin, or next one is ground pin. Positive pin will go to the 6th pin of the Arduino, as mentioned in the code as output pin in code, and red wire, sorry, will go to the ground pin from the buzzer to the Arduino. It's going ready. Now it's ready. It's almost done, except the uploading of the code from Arduino to the Arduino Uno board. Now it is connected to the laptop Arduino board, and we will upload the code from Arduino IDE to the Arduino Uno board. Let's upload. Here is the code, and in this code there is a MQ2 pin which is defined as 0 pin of the Arduino, and the 6th pin of the Arduino is defined as output of the output pin, as it will give the signal to the buzzer. And analog sensor value is equal to analog read MQ2, which will take the MQ2 reading from MQ2 sensor to the Arduino board, and it is going to be uploaded. And it is done uploading complete. Next, the Python code. Here is the Python code. The first function, speak function, is defined for the voice alarm of the laptop or device, and this is the main body of the function, which will run and take input from the Arduino serial, the value of MQ2 sensor actually. So next is running the program. Let's run the program.
Sir, intensity of smoke is hot. Please check all there is any fire or not. Be alert. Sir, it's smoke in the room. 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 Be alert. Sir, intensity of smoke is hot. Please check all there is any fire or not. Sir, it's smoke in the room. Be alert. Sir, intensity of smoke is hot. Please check all there is any fire or not. Be alert.